Feeling blue, anyone? If so, stay tuned for this makeup tutorial on how to achieve this metallic blue and purple look. I'm going to be using my beige Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this flat eyeshadow brush into this blue metallic color. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my movable lid. I did spray the flat brush with some finishing spray in order to make the color pop a little more. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to my other eyelid. Now I'm going to go back into the palette, into this bright purple color with a different flat brush. And I'm just gonna apply it around the blue eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna go into the corners of the eyelid with this color. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. I did go off camera and apply some eyeliner, a very thin liner, and now I'm gonna go in with these falsies from AOA, from Shop Miss A. I got them at Shop Miss A, and I'm just gonna use some tweezers to apply these lashes as close to the lash line as possible. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and this beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna apply my foundation all over my face. And I'm just gonna blend my foundation out with my sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer. I'm just going to apply some under my eyes in order to cover up any dark circles. And I'm going to use this triangle sponge to blend that out. For setting powder, I'm going to use Airspun, and I'm just going to apply it with that same triangle sponge. And I'm just going to let the setting powder sit there for a minute or so. Now I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and just remove any excess powder. Now I'm going to go in with this small pencil brush into that purple, and I'm going to apply that on my waterline. Now I'm going to use this beige Cosmetics contour kit. And I'm just going to apply my light brown contour on the sides of my cheeks to the middle of my cheeks and on my forehead. Now I'm going to use the other side of the brush to blend it out. For blush, I'm going to use this Clinique chubby stick, and I'm just going to apply that all over the apple of my cheek. And I'm going to use this triangle sponge to blend that out. For highlighter, I'm going to use this AOA highlighter in the color Circus, and I'm just going to apply that right above the apple of my cheeks. On my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. I'm going to go in with this purple MAC lipstick first, and all the details of these products will be in the description. And I'm gonna go with my second light blue MAC lipstick, and I'm gonna apply it over it. And this is my final look. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.